Hindu practices and beliefs. If you are into computer games, you might have an online avatar, a character that represents you. The concept of avatars is nothing new. The Hindu god Vishnu had many avatars, including a godlike hero called Krishna. Unlike your avatar, Vishnu's avatars were versions of himself in various forms. The main idea of this section: over 5,000 years, Hinduism absorbed and integrated many beliefs found throughout South Asia. Gods and sacred texts. The religion that grew out of Aryan beliefs and practices is Hinduism, the world's third largest religion. Hinduism developed over many centuries. Its many gods and goddesses, or deities, combined to form Brahman, a universal spirit. The three most important Hindu deities are Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Female deities include Saraswati, goddess of knowledge, science, and the arts, and Parvati, who is both a goddess and the beautiful wife of Shiva. She meditated for years in the Himalaya to attract his attention. Lakshmi, wife of Vishnu, is the goddess of wealth and prosperity. People who seek success worship Lakshmi. The Vedas are Hinduism's holiest books, but two epic poems, or long narrative poems, are also important. One, called Mahabharata, teaches the importance of living and acting righteously. The other poem, the Ramayana, tells the story of Rama, the perfect king, who fought evil forces in the world. Within the Mahabharata is a spiritual poem called Bhagavad Gita, or Song of the Lord. In this poem, Krishna praises duty. He also encourages action over inaction, knowledge over ignorance, belief over disbelief, and good over evil. This poem remains popular as a source of spiritual guidance and inspiration. Beliefs and practices. Hindus occasionally worship in temples, but the home is the center of religious activity. Many homes have a temple room or corner where family members worship. Many Hindus still observe certain cultural practices related to the caste system, such as marrying within one's caste. They also believe the soul is eternal and is reborn in different bodies over different life cycles. This is called reincarnation. According to Hindu beliefs, people's actions and conduct create karma, which determines the kind of life into which they will be reborn. The karma of someone who leads a good and moral life leads to rebirth into a better life. A life filled with misdeeds creates bad karma, which leads to rebirth into a life of greater hardship and suffering. The ultimate goal of a Hindu is to end this cycle of rebirth by living selflessly and eliminating material desires. There are many paths to the perfect life. One path involves the practice of yoga, a series of exercises intended to help a person achieve spiritual insight. An important idea underlying such practices is to seek and know the truth.